Hi everyone and welcome back to Yana's English Academy. Today we're tackling a word that's overused but easy to replace. Okay. Now, don't get me wrong, okay is fine, pun intended, but if you want to sound more like a native speaker, you'll need to mix it up a bit. I'll show you alternatives you can use depending on the context, whether you're agreeing, confirming, or just responding casually. Ready? Let's dive in. Alternatives for agreeing. Let's start with situations where you want to agree with someone. Instead of just saying, okay, try this. Absolutely. This one shows strong agreement. It's time to book our tickets. Absolutely. Let's do it. Sounds good. This phrase is perfect for casual situations. An example. Let's meet at 7 p.m. Sounds good. Next up we have fair enough. Use this when you agree, but with slight hesitation. I'm too tired to go out tonight. Fair enough. Let's do it another time. Let's move on to part 2, alternatives for confirming. Now, if you are confirming that you've understood or are on the same page, these phrases work great. Certainly. Sounds polite and professional. Can you send me the updated document? Certainly, I'll email it right away. Got it. Got it sounds quick and efficient. An example, dialogue. Your boss tells you, please send that email by noon. You say, got it. Next alternative is understood. This one is a bit more formal, often used in professional settings. We'll need this report by Friday. Understood. When you're just responding casually, try these alternatives to keep things fresh. Okie dokie. Playful and fun, often used in informal chats. See you on Saturday at noon. Okie dokie. Cool. Very laid back and informal. I'm going hiking this weekend. Cool. Next one is by all means. Use by all means to show enthusiastic permission. Mind if I borrow your laptop for a bit? By all means. Number 10, no problems. This is a relaxed way to acknowledge or agree. Can you grab me a coffee? No problem. And here is a bonus tip. Be mindful of your tone and context. Some alternatives work best in casual conversations while others shine in professional settings. Mix and match to keep your communication dynamic and engaging. So there you have it, plenty of alternatives to replace okay and sound more like a native speaker. Which one is your favorite? Or do you have another go-to phrase? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Yana's English Academy, and don't forget to hit that bell icon for more tips and tricks to improve your English. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep learning and keep practicing.